Hi, today I'm going to show you L COLL. Let's divide these L cases into three groups. So where you have matching here, opposite here, neither matching or opposite on the here. Let's start with these two where you have matching over here. So for this case you have opposites on here, and for this case you have opposites on the left side. So for this case, where you have opposites on the front, you want to hold them into the left side, and you do inverse of this U COLL. So the algorithm goes like this: R, U2, R, D, R prime, U2, R, D prime, R2. And for this one, we want to hold from this angle and do inverse of this U case COLL, which was mirror from the previous one. So you do R prime, U2, R prime, D prime, R, U2, R prime, D, R2. For these two, where you have opposites over here, for this case you have opposites on the left side, and for this case you have opposites on the front side. So for this one, where you have opposites on the left side, you do the first part of the E prime, which goes X prime, R, U prime, R prime, D, R, U, R prime, D prime. And for this one, where you have opposites on the front, you want to hold them on the right side and do inverse of this D COLL, which goes X prime, D, R, U, R prime, D prime, R, U prime, R prime. And finally, for these two, you have neither matching or opposite. So for this case, this is opposite of this one, and this is opposite of this one. And for this case, these two are matching, and these two are matching. For this one, where you have opposites here and opposites here, what you want to do is this ZBLL, where you swap and rotate these two corners and swap these two edges. So the algorithm goes like this: U prime to set it up, and then you do R prime, U prime, and first part of the J prime, which goes R, U, R prime, F prime, sexy move, R prime, F, R2. And for this one, where you have matching here and matching here, you do from this angle, and you do R, U2, R prime, U prime, double sexy, and insert this pair with R, U prime, R prime. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.